12th, I hope that most of it you would have remembered. So 12th में थोड़ा नहीं बहुत fast करेंगे. One day, one chapter. I'll be just going through the certain PDFs that already have revised in the other batches. और 12th के किसी concept में अगर doubt होगा, then you can ask. With some extra concept, maybe we can do since we have very less time left. Fine. Okay. Yes. Where should the two bridges be set in 110 centimeter long wire so that it is divided into three parts, and the ratio of frequencies are 3 to 1. So long wire, if there are two bridges, has to be set. It will become like a sonometer. The wire is divided into the three part. There are two bridges which has to be placed so that length L1, L2, and L3 become three different. It become three different portion of the wire. Each will produce its own standing wave. So anyone, if we consider one as a yeah, again it was internet glitch. Something happens in the morning, no idea. Okay, frequency is V by 2L, so F1 is V by 2L1. Similarly, fundamental frequency, the speed will
So
be same
20
because it will be
centimeter from one end and 60 centimeter from the other end.
okay. And how did you do this?
सर N1 is to N2 is to N3 की वैल्यू दे रखी है और क्योंकि N और L इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होते हैं तो फिर L1 is to L2 is to L3 की 2 is to 3 is to 6 आ जाएगा कुछ तो फिर उसके बाद क्या कहते हैं मतलब जब ये हमारे पास ये वाली हाँ फिर उसके बाद सम करके 110 तो फिर
Yes, the frequency ratio is 3:2:1, so the length ratio will become inverse of it because frequency is inversely proportional to length, and that become 2:3:6. So if you consider L1 as 2x, L2 as 3x, and L3 as 6x, L1 plus L2 plus L3 is given as 110 centimeter. So you can consider this as 2x, 3x plus 6x, total will become 11x is 110, x is equal to 10. So that means the first one is 2x, so 20 centimeter, L2 is 3x, that's 30 centimeter, L3 is 6x, that is 60 centimeter. So 20, 30 and 60, those are the positions, those should be the length of the wires formed as. Okay, right. Second question is, if wave travels in a medium, the particle displacement is given by y is equal to a sine 2 pi bt minus cx, a be a constant, maximum particle velocity will be twice the wave velocity. So this is the same question we did. Maximum particle velocity is a omega and wave velocity is omega by k, and it is 3 times. Right, so compare the omega and k, coefficient of t is omega and coefficient of x is k. Find the relation. Yukta, which option is correct? Yukta? Yukta, have you tried this question sheet? No. Okay, second question, give the answer. Omega is 2 pi into b, k is 2 pi into c. So a into 2 pi times b is equal to 3 into 2. Okay, omega gone as it is. No need to put the value of omega even. A into omega, so omega gone. A will become 3 by k. K is 2 pi into c. sorry, twice, not thrice, it's twice. 2 times 2 pi into c. So that means which option is correct?
Sir, A.
Avida?
A.
A is the correct option. Yes, right. Third, वेव की इक्वेशन देख के हम उसकी डायरेक्शन और फ्रीक्वेंसी बता सकते हैं. वेव इज a sin omega kx minus omega t. So one thing is sure, it will be moving along पॉजिटिव एक्स डायरेक्शन. बीच में माइनस तो पॉजिटिव एक्स, बीच में नेगेटिव तो बीच में पॉजिटिव तो नेगेटिव एक्स. सो दैट मींस इट इज मूविंग. नाउ कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x, दैट इज k. k is 10 times pi. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ t is omega. omega is 2 pi. तो k से हम वेवलेंथ निकालेंगे और ओमेगा से फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालेंगे. Which option? C. Which option is correct?
C.
C. Right. Number 4. Equation of wave, plane progressive wave is this: when it is reflected, resist force upward, its amplitude become 2 by 3 of its previous value. Amplitude 2/3 हो गया, direction opposite हो गई, resist support से, तो बीच में एक pi का phase difference आ जाएगा. T minus x by 2 become T plus x by 2 plus pi. So what should be the answer? Yes, and sine pi plus theta is minus sine theta. What is the difference between B and D? I think it looks same. B and D are same. That is the answer. I mean, amplitude will become 2/3. Direction changes, so okay, no, minus will become plus. Sorry, this T minus will become T plus. If it happens in the exam, you will mark any of the two, not the both. And then give it for challenge. Okay. Fifth, a person carrying a visual emitting continuously node of 272 is running towards a reflecting surface with a speed of 18 kilometer. Source speed is 18 kilometer per hour, which means 5 meter per second. And it is producing a frequency of 272. Number of beats heard by him. So एक तो उसके पास साउंड 272 की है ही, दूसरा जो उसको अपनी इमेज से आते हुए लगेगी बिकॉज ऑफ द रिफ्लेक्शन. फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द रिफ्लेक्टेड साउंड.
सर सी होगा इसका.
ओके. इट इज
क्योंकि
फॉर्मूला वाइज.
हाँ तो फिर मतलब n इज इक्वल टू n इंटू वी प्लस वी नॉट बाय मतलब ये जो आएगा मतलब 272 इंटू 345 प्लस 5 और 345 ही माइनस
v
5.
plus vo upon v minus vo हो जाएगा because now image is also moving towards it and observer is also moving towards it. So this third fifth case, the formula we will apply is, since the person is running, so his image will also be running, which is the source. For the reflected sound, this is the source and this is the observer, and the direction of sound is the reverse. So F2 जो उसको मिलेगी, that is V plus Vs divided by V minus Vs times F naught. And
v plus vo.
वो तो पहले Vs ही था ना, वो एक ही बात है. मतलब this is the same person जो पहले source था. The same has now become the observer. Speed दोनों की same है ना, इसलिए वो Vo is Vs here. 345 and 5. So 345 plus 5 divided by 340. into 272. सॉल्व करके जो आएगा and f2 minus f1.
Then
So
280 आएगा, 280 आएगा, फिर 280 minus 272 gives 8.
350 by 340 minus 1, that's 1 by 34. 272 divided by 34, which is 8. Correct. 8 beats will be obtained, observed by this person due to the deflected sound. Yes, Harsh.
Yes, sir.
समझ आ रहा है ना? तो सिंपल वाला ही है. Number 6, closed organ pipe is excited to support the third overtone. Third overtone में कितने नोड कितने एंटीनोड बनते हैं in a closed organ pipe? Harsh, this is for you. Closed organ pipe का third overtone. Closed organ pipe, this is the fundamental mode. Closed organ pipe, first overtone. Closed organ pipe, second overtone. Closed organ pipe, third overtone. Sorry, गलत हो गया. 3 loops and one. Yeah, this is the third overtone. How many node and how many antinode are there? Count. Mr. Harsh, how many antinode, how many nodes? Harsh, कहाँ गया होगा भाई? 4 antinode. A and A. 4 antinode. Node, and node. 4 antinode and 4 nodes. Number 7. A wave disturbance in a medium is described by y is equal to this is this. So ये किसकी equation है? This is the equation of progressive wave or standing wave? Yes, Yukta, this is the equation of progressive wave or standing wave?
Progress.
नहीं बेटा इसमें अलग हो गया ना, ओमेगा टी अलग है और x का टर्म अलग है. That is a function of a x plus minus bt. अगर एक साथ होते दोनों, then this is a progressive wave. So y is equal to 2a cos k omega t type equation बन गई है. 2a cos omega t plus phi into cos kx. x का कोफिशिएंट k हो गया, t का कोफिशिएंट ओमेगा हो जाएगा, और ये जो एम्पलीट्यूड है this is 2a. So if you have to find the amplitude of the wave which superimposed to form this, that amplitude will be 0.01. Okay, so ये कैसी wave है, अब कैसे पता पड़ेगा? How do we decide whether it is a node or it is an antinode at which point? उसके लिए हम देखते हैं amplitude. Amplitude का टर्म कौन सा वाला होता है? 2a cos kx. If it is in the form of cos, that means at x equals to 0, it is a antinode because 0 is maximum. So x equals to 0 पे antinode से start हो रही है wave, and then we can find out lambda by 4 पे node होगा और lambda by 2 पे distance पे antinode. If equation would have been 2a sin kx, x equals to 0, it would have started with node. पहले lambda निकालेंगे, wavelength. This was what's the answer for 7th? Sushil?
सर एक बार रिपीट कर दोगे 7?
This is the standard equation with which we have to compare. X के कोफिशिएंट से हम लैम्डा निकालेंगे और t के कोफिशिएंट से फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालेंगे. Now in every standing wave, the amplitude is this term. जिसमें x होता है. That determines whether x equals to 0, it is starting with antinode or node. अगर ये sin के x होता, sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So it is starting with the maximum value, which means x equals to 0, it is going to have antinode. अब क्योंकि हम लैम्डा की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर चुके हैं, the distance between antinode by 4 पे antinode नोड आएगा, lambda by 2 distance पे antinode आएगा, right? अगर ये इक्वेशन होती है 2s sin kx cos sin omega t या cos omega t, तो इससे हमें ये आइडिया मिल गया कि 0 means 0, there is no displacement to that particle which is presented is equals to 0. So it will start with node. X equals to 0 would have been node if equation is sin kx. Right? तो पहले लैम्डा की वैल्यू निकालते हैं. लैम्डा से लैम्डा by 4, लैम्डा by
सर एक बार ऑप्शन दिखा दीजिए.
यस सर, एक बार क्वेश्चन दिखा दो.
आपके पास भी होगा, बट ठीक है.
सर सी.
थोड़ा
सर सी ऑप्शन.
लैम्डा कितना आया? व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ वेवलेंथ?
सर लैम्डा की वैल्यू 0.2 आई है.
1.5.
0.2 आई है, राइट? सो इसका मतलब ये भी गड़बड़ हो गया. 0.2 है तो एंटी नोड लैम्डा बाय 2 पे होगा, which is 0.1. again it is wrong.
यस सर, एंटीनोड 0.1.
तो नोड होना चाहिए 0.04 पे. मतलब ये आगे भी हो सकता है, it's not just the first.
0.05.
हाँ बेटा,
सर नोड 0.05 पे.
पहला नोड 0.05 पे, फिर ऐसे दूसरा तीसरा. मतलब ये ऐसे नहीं बोलो ना कि फर्स्ट नोड. तो उसमें लैम्डा बाय 2 ऐड करते जाएंगे. अगर पहला हो रहा है ये लेट्स से लैम्डा बाय 2 पे, then the other one will be 3 lambda by 2, 5 lambda by 2, 7 lambda by 2. ऐसे मल्टीपल करके भी हमें चेक करना होता है. It's not saying that the first node occurs at x equals to 0.15, but ठीक है, यहाँ पे नहीं आ रहा. So speed of wave तो दिख ही रहा है, coefficient of t by coefficient of x, 50 pi by 10 pi is 5. Speed is correct. But in any question where we have to find the node and antinode, lambda से lambda by 4 की distance पे antinode, and then node. Okay, yes, resonance column, ये हमें करना था. Resonance tube experiment. Resonance tube experiment is to determine the speed of wave, speed of sound, or to determine the end correction. Resonance tube experiment is a vertical cylindrical tube filled with water in which the water is gradually drained out. The tuning fork is sounded gently on the mouth. From this outlet, we gradually reduce the water level so that the length of air column present inside increases. A water surface is almost supposed to be 100% reflector for, not 100%, but at least 98% reflector of sound wave. अगर हम पानी के अंदर हैं और बाहर से कोई कुछ भी shout कर रहा है, we will not be able to get that voice. So there will be a antinode, node. the first length we'll measure on this marking. This is L1. So L1 should be lambda by 4. But actually में क्या होता है, in all the open ends, the air oscillation goes slightly beyond it. It goes slightly beyond the actual length. That means the length of this air column is not just L. Because there is no rigid boundary, तो ये air particle oscillate करते करते थोड़ा सा बाहर निकल जाते हैं. That's called end correction. So it should also be included. Theoretically, it is 0.6 times r, where r is the radius of the pipe. But suppose we don't want to measure that radius and we don't have arrangement to measure that, then what we should do is yes. So यहाँ पर ये जो L1 होगा, this L1 is actually L1 plus E. Technically it is not just L1. पहले टाइम पे जो हमें वहां पे लेंथ मिल रही है, that should be L1 plus E, where E is called end correction. Closed pipe में केवल एक साइड पे होगा. अगर ये open pipe है, it will be on both the side. So that will become 1.2 times R. Then again the water is drained out slowly, and this second reading is also taken. When it is the giving a sharp sound. Why sharp sound? Because the frequency of those matches, when frequency matches, means it will be under the resonance. Second reading that we take is for the first overtone. So it is L2. L2 is L2 plus E is 3 times lambda by 4. So कैसे हम इसे स्पीड निकालते हैं? स्पीड और एंड करेक्शन. पहले अगर हमें स्पीड निकालनी है तो फ्रीक्वेंसी इस ट्यूनिंग फोर्क के ऊपर मेंशन होती है. दैट फ्रीक्वेंसी वी ऑलरेडी नो. Subtract the two. The difference between two consecutive reading is lambda by 2. Lambda is 2 times L2 minus L1. यहाँ से आ जाएगी स्पीड. स्पीड is frequency into wavelength. So 2 into F into L2 minus L1. This is first speed of sound wave in air. Second step is, if you have to calculate the end correction, तो हम दोनों को divide कर देते हैं. Equation 2 divided by 1, that will be the end correction. Or you can say L2 plus E is 3 times L1 plus E. L2 plus E is 3 times L1 plus E. 2E is L2 minus 3L1. E is L2 minus 3L1 by 2. Right? Okay, so this is the two questions that we can solve. अब इसमें question में क्या बोला है ना, resonance tube. First and second resonance is obtained at 22.7 and 70.2. Where will the third resonance will be obtained? So पहले के लिए lambda by 4, दूसरे के लिए 3 lambda by 4 और फिर 5 lambda by 4.
बना के उनको इक्वेट कर देंगे.
Yes.
दो इक्वेशंस बना के उनको इक्वेट कर देंगे.
हाँ हाँ, right yes. अब हमें डिस्टेंस बताइए. पहले दो के बीच में जो डिस्टेंस है, that is lambda by 2. उसमें lambda by 2 और ऐड कर देते हैं आगे. जितना इसमें डिफरेंस है वो आगे और ऐड हो जाएगा. Because you can see the first one is lambda by 4, second one is 3 lambda by 4, third one is 5 times lambda by 4. So इनके बीच में जो डिस्टेंस है वो कितनी बढ़ती जा रही है? lambda by 2 के. Right? Okay. डिफरेंस आगे ऐड हो जाएगी और. So that will be what's the answer then? Ananya? Vriti, what's the answer in the 8th one?
सर इसका ए है ना 117.7.
हाँ बेटा,
A है.
A है.
Yes, 117.7.
Yes, A is the answer. Right. 9. An engine approaches a hill with a constant speed. When a distance is 0.9, it blows a whistle whose echo is heard by the driver after 5 seconds. Speed of sound is 330. Then the speed of engine is. So engine is approaching towards the hill with some constant speed, and it produces the sound frequency F, which after reflection comes back. It blows a whistle whose echo is heard by the driver after 5 seconds. Speed of sound is 330 meter per second, then the speed of engine. Okay. Relative motion, because I think 330 and 30 we should not ignore because it's not as small. So when the mechanics type question ban gayi, when it is 900 meter, this sound takes time t1 to reach, and t1 will be 900 by 330 or 300. What is that? 330 meter per second. इतने टाइम में वो वे वहां पे पहुंच रही है, and during this time this will also be moving further. The person is also, the engine is also moving in the forward direction. So it is moving in the forward direction, say by a distance x1. X1 will become v1 times t. So the reflected sound has to come 900 minus x1, and the speed is 330 plus jate time 900 by 330. This total time is 5, and x1 will be v1 into t, so that is v1 into 900 by 330. एक बार समझो क्या किया ये. पहले वो 900 मीटर पे था. This sound has to travel a distance of 900 with a speed of 330. This is time taken by sound to reach. अगर वो पर्सन में खड़ा होता तो बस डबल कर लेते, 2 into 900 divided by speed of sound. Nothing to be done. इसमें अगर आपको ये लग रहा होगा कि इसमें हमने apparent frequency change क्यों नहीं देखा, why Doppler's effect, because this is not a Doppler's effect. Not asking how much speed we have changed, how much what is the new frequency that is obtained. It is just question is that after how much time, that's called echo, after how much time the sound is observed. Correct? So it will be v1 into 900 by 330. Itna distance wo aage ja chuka hai. So the distance that now the reflected sound has to cover is only 900 minus x1. t1 sound के लिए जाने में, t2 person तक वापस आने में. It will become 330 plus v1 because the person is also moving with the same relative velocity. The relative velocity will be added, 330 of sound and 30 of this. Sorry, v1 is of that person. जो v1 हमें calculate करना है. थोड़ी सी कैलकुलेशन आ गई शायद इसमें. एग्जैक्ट मेथड ये है, अगर आपको समझ में आया हो. पहले साउंड गई 330 स्पीड से 900 मीटर, फिर जब साउंड रिफ्लेक्ट होके आ रही है तो साउंड एंड पर्सन बोथ आर मूविंग, so that means the relative velocity become vs plus v1, और जो डिस्टेंस कवर करनी है अभी that is 900 minus x1. This is the total time taken for sound to come back, time between the echo. Yes. ये समझ में आ गया क्या किया है सिद्धार्थ?
सर दोबारा समझा दो एक बार.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
समझ गया.
दोबारा समझाता हूँ मैं. इधर एक हिल है, एक इंजन है जो विसल मारते हुए कंटिन्यूअसली चलता जा रहा है. दिस इज द स्पीड v1. इनिशियली जब उसने विसल ब्लो की है तो 0.9 किलोमीटर, which means 900 meter is the distance. The sound that is produced here propagate with a speed of 330 meter per second. It reaches the other hill and suppose जाने में time लगा t1. So t1 कितना हुआ? Distance which is 900 divided by speed that is 330. क्योंकि इस sound के पहुंचने में अभी इस इंजन की स्पीड से कोई लेना नहीं है, वो हो गया खत्म. आफ्टर द रिफ्लेक्टेंस जितना टाइम इसको आगे लग रहा है t1, उतने टाइम में द इंजन वुड हैव मूव्ड फर्दर. वो डिस्टेंस हमने ले ली x1 वेयर x1 विल बी, वो एक कांस्टेंट स्पीड से मूव करता जा रहा है v1 टाइम्स t1, सो v1 into 900 by 330. The reflected sound has to cover only this distance to reach the engine or to reach the driver, and the relative speed will be added क्योंकि अभी sound की velocity और engine की velocity एक दूसरे की तरफ हो गई, so they will be approaching each other. 900 minus x1 divided by 330 plus v1, और ये given है कि इंजन ब्लो विसल ब्लो करने के 5 सेकंड के बाद उसको इको सुनाई पड़ती है, t1 जाने का टाइम और t2 वापस आने का टाइम. टोटल टाइम for the echo is t1 plus t2, which is given as 5. Substitute the value and yes.
सर इसका 30 है क्या?
30.
हाँ.
Okay.
सो एक्चुअली मैंने कुछ और किया था सर. मैंने क्या किया था कि जैसे इंजन को स्टॉप कर दिया सर, और फिर रिलेटिवली पीछे लग जाएगा एक स्पीड उसमें, साउंड की स्पीड में. पूरे सिस्टम को मतलब वो कर दिया. और फिर हेलो सर.
हाँ बेटा सुन रहा हूँ.
और फिर सर जो टोटल डिस्टेंस, क्योंकि इंजन अब वही रहेगा तो टोटल डिस्टेंस वही 1800 हो जाएगा मीटर्स, और 1800 मीटर्स डिवाइड बाय 330 माइनस x 5 सेकंड्स हो जाएगा. वैसे करके आ गया.
नहीं बट तो मोशन बीच में चेंज हो गया ना साउंड का.
नहीं,
That will not work ना.
बट सर स्पीड तो सेम ही रहेगी ना सर.
बट रिलेटिव स्पीड डिफरेंट हो गई ना. जब दोनों सेम डायरेक्शन में थे तो 330 माइनस x हो गया. जब वो रिफ्लेक्ट होके वापस आ रही है साउंड तो 330 प्लस x हो गया. So that's why we need to break this into two part, in the direction of motion opposite to the direction of sound.
अच्छा.
समझ गए ना. वो रिलेटिव मोशन वाला फंडा पूरे उसमें एक साथ नहीं अप्लाई कर सकते
अच्छा,
because
पहले 900 मीटर्स फिर 900 मीटर्स वैसे ना.
पहले फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में sound
हाँ.
and the speed is in the same direction,
हाँ,
and when
फिर
it's coming back it is in same direction. Please कोई हिम्मत दिखाओ. Calculate it. हर्ष.
Yes, sir.
कोई हिम्मत दिखाओ. सॉल्व करो. क्या आएगा इसमें आंसर. That's the right way, but इसमें क्या लिखना हो सकता है जब डिफरेंस बहुत ज्यादा हो तो हम नेग्लेक्ट कर देते हैं, but which is not the case here.
तो 9 का तो 30 मीटर्स पर सेकंड ही है।
यस
बेटा
30 आ रहा है सर, वी 30 आ रहा है।
30 आ रहा है।
मुझे आ रहा है, वेरी गुड। सो इट इज कोइंसिडेंस में भी, क्योंकि ऋषि हम दोनों साइड के मोशन
हाँ
को
वो
एक
हाँ वो
साथ,
समझ कैसा है वो, हाँ एक साइड पे पॉजिटिव होगा एक साइड पे नेगेटिव
एक
होगा,
साइड
वो
में
चेंज
नेगेटिव
हाँ
होगा, जैसे जो
हाँ
रिवर वाले क्वेश्चंस होते थे जिसमें
हाँ
बोट
वही,
जाती है और फिर टर्न होके वापस आ जाती है, सो दैट इज नॉट द
हाँ
सेम।
प्लस, हाँ समझ गया।
यस
हाँ।
यस यस, ओके। Next question. Next is two identical piano wire kept at the same tension have fundamental frequency of 600. The fraction increase in tension in one of the wire will lead to occurrence of 6 beats, where the wire oscillate with together. When both the wires oscillate together. Frequency or tension में हमें, right? So frequency is 1/2L root T by mu. बाकी सारी चीजें constant है. F is proportional to T raised to power half. F is proportional to T raised to power half.
फिर इस पे सर फिर चेंज इन फ्रीक्वेंसी भी तो कर लेंगे ना, चेंज इन फ्रीक्वेंसी बाय नॉर्मल फ्रीक्वेंसी।
फिर हम इसका वो एरर वाला मेथड यूज कर लेंगे, जितने टाइम्स पावर होती है उतने टाइम्स एरर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगी, सो फ्रैक्शनल चेंज इन फ्रीक्वेंसी विल बी हाफ टाइम्स फ्रैक्शनल चेंज इन टेंशन. Change in frequency will be beats, which is given as 6, and the initial frequency is given as 600. 6 by 600,
तो 0.02 आ रहा है।
half delta D by D. Okay, right. Number 11th, two sound sources emitting each of wavelength lambda are fixed at a given distance. A listener moves with the velocity u along the line joining the two sources. The number of beats heard by him per second. Two sources. Listener moves with velocity u along the line joining each other. Two sources, number of beats obtained by him per second. Okay. So observer जो move कर रहा है उसके लिए sound F1 is V minus V1 upon V times F, and F2 is V plus V1 upon V times F. This is the observer. एक source से वो दूर जा रहा है, दूसरे source की तरफ आ रहा है, and as a result there will be two frequencies. The number of beats will be F2 minus F1. V plus V1 by V minus V minus V1 by V times F naught. So V gone. 2 V1 by V. 2 V1 by V times F naught. So now it's asking that ये कितना हो गया? V upon F is lambda, 2U by lambda. So the total number of beats obtained per second is frequency of beat is understood?
यस सर।
Right, next. Number 12, an observer moves along the stationary source. Okay, along the stationary source with a velocity 1/5 of the velocity of sound, what is the percent increase in apparent frequency? फिर last वाले formula से कर लेंगे delta f by f. Apparent increase in frequency is number of beats divided by beats into 100. Yes, what's the answer? Yeah, same as the last formula, so don't need to solve it again. 12 का answer.
So C 20%.
20%. The observer is moving towards the stationary source, so V plus V by 5 divided by V into F naught. Percentage change in frequency, so 6V by 5 minus 1 is 1 by 5, 20%. Correct. 13th, velocity of sound in 320, pipe closed at 1 and has length 1. Negative inclination of the air column in the pipe cannot resonate with the frequency. So, yes. Question number 13. Velocity of sound in air is 320 and the pipe closed at one end has a length of 1 meter. Neglecting in correction, the air column in the pipe cannot resonate with the frequency. So, since it is closed at one end,
320 C.
okay, how?
So 2n plus 1 times 80 हो जाएगा, तो उसमें 4 का
2n plus 1
मल्टीपल,
time
हाँ,
it होगा because it is a
4
odd
का
multiple.
मल्टीपल नहीं आएगा उसमें, 4 into
Correct.
80 नहीं होगा.
Closed pipe is only producing the odd harmonics. So 1, 3, 5. So V by 4L से fundamental frequency आ गई, which is 80, and the other frequencies that is possible only is odd multiple of 80. So 80, 320, 135, that ratio. Next is number 14. A driver of car traveling towards 30 towards the hill. Sound and the velocity of sound and the frequency of reflected sound as heard by the driver. ये हमने कर लिया अभी. Tried. For the reflected sound, the image of the car will be acting as a source, so they both will be approaching towards each other. Yes, 14th. V plus V1 upon V minus V1 times F naught.
$720.
720. Okay, 720 is the answer. Harsh, getting same answer.
सर
Ananya,
अभी तक एक मिनट का
Yes, sir 720.
okay, 15th. What will be the frequency of beats formed by the summation of two harmonic waves as shown? Okay, very nice. Okay. 15th. फिफ्टींथ समझ में आ रहा है किसी को? What to do?
2 है क्या?
2 है, yes, but you have to just count how many number
हाँ,
of waves
काउंट
are
करके
there.
माइनस कर दिया. वो because
Yes.
frequency.
Correct. How many number of waves are produced? So this is one wave, second, third,
7 or 5.
fourth, fifth, 6 and 7.
Yes,
Or
sir.
In
five.
1 second.
2 है
1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What is the effect of increase in temperature on the frequency of sound produced by organ pipe? ऑर्गन पाइप से जो फ्रीक्वेंसी प्रोड्यूस होती है उसका क्या था फॉर्मूला? V by 2L and V is root of
Decrease.
gamma RT by M by decrease.
हाँ.
It will increase. Speed
सर
increases.
तो टेम्परेचर के साथ लेंथ बढ़ेगी ना सर?
अरे वो तो इग्नोर, कितनी बढ़ेगी यार लेंथ? कोफिशिएंट ऑफ लीनियर एक्सपेंशन इज 10 to the power minus 6 का ऑर्डर.
अच्छा तो नहीं होगा.
स्पीड ऑफ साउंड इंक्रीजेस विद टेम्परेचर रूट गामा
अच्छा.
RT by M. इसमें केवल वो लोचा होता है जो हम एयर में जब देखते हैं. इन द केस ऑफ एयर प्रिंटर्स में साउंड की स्पीड में बढ़ जाती है. उसका रीजन टेम्परेचर से ज्यादा डेंसिटी का चेंज है, बिकॉज डेंसिटी ऑफ द मॉइस्ट एयर डिक्रीजेस. डेंसिटी डिक्रीज कैसे हो जाती है मॉइस्ट एयर होने पे? बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स आर ऑफ वाटर एंड वाटर का मॉलिक्यूलर मास होता है 18, ऑक्सीजन या नाइट्रोजन का होता है 30, 28 एंड 30. That is why if it is air, then it has heavier molar mass. When it is replaced by the water molecule, moisture, lot of moisture, it will be replaced by 18. So average molecular mass is reduced, density will reduce, and therefore overall speed will increase, because formula was root of P by rho. P is pressure and rho is density. Got it? तो इस समझ में आया? जैसे टेम्परेचर कम करने पे और टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने पे, the direct relation that gives it should be increasing and decreasing, which is not observed in the case of winter in air, because air में टेम्परेचर कम करने पे दूसरा लोचा होता है, डेंसिटी बहुत कम हो जाती है because of the moisture content, lot of moisture content in the water, in the air. Fine. Next is cylindrical tube open at the both end, has a fundamental frequency F. The tube is dipped vertically in water so that half of it is in water. Then fundamental frequency of air column is down. Initially it was open pipe.
F हो गया. F ही होगा ना?
F, yeah, और ये क्वेश्चन
हाँ.
आया हुआ है.
हाँ वो मेंस की
Now,
आर्काइव में था.
correct, yes. Now it is speed तो same ही रहेगी, medium same है, but since it is now closed, it will become V by 4L, but length has changed to L by 2, which is gone. V by 2L, V by 2L is F. Same one, the one that we did, any general function of ax plus minus bt, ये उसी को हमें rearrange करके ax plus minus bt types function. So if we see in the power, e raised to power minus ax square plus bt square plus 2 root ab into xt, we can rearrange it. We can rearrange it and we can write it e raised to power minus root a times x plus root b times t का whole square. क्योंकि minus sign है, so it is a bounded function we discussed. If this would have been e raised to power plus, then it cannot represent a wave because it would not be a bounded function. So बीच में plus है, so wave is moving towards minus x direction and speed is coefficient of t by coefficient of x. First option is correct. Longitudinal wave is represented by this. Okay, yeah, same as the first question we have done. 22 tones of frequencies are sounded together. Beats can be distinctly heard when it is only less than 10. Greater than 10 we cannot perceive as a human, right? Question number 21. A pipe of length 85 cm is closed from one end. Find the number of possible natural oscillation of air column in the pipe whose frequency lies 1250. Same as the previous one, हमें speed पता है, length पता है, और ये close है from one end से, so we'll calculate the fundamental frequency and then odd multiple of it, 135. We will see which one is, how many of them lies below 1250. 21. What do you say about 21? चलो कर लेना, नो प्रॉब्लम। आगे बढ़ते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज अ व्हीकल विद अ हॉर्न ऑफ
Six.
फ्रीक्वेंसी इज मूविंग 6
Six.
6. A vehicle with a horn of frequency and is moving at the velocity 30 in a direction perpendicular to straight line joining the observer. The observer perceives the sound of frequency n plus n1. When it is a perpendicular direction, cos 90 is 0. There is no change in frequency. So the observed frequency will be same as actual frequency. No change. 23rd, a source of sound gives 5 beats per second. When sounded with any other source of frequency 100 per second, the second harmonic of source together with the source of frequency 205 gives a 5 beats. Okay. Second harmonic means 2 times the frequency. So that means F can be 95 or 105. F can be 95 or 105. 2F can be 200 or 210. Double second harmonic will be either 200 or 210. So which one is matching? 105 का initial है तो फाइनल हो गया 202 क्योंकि 95 है तो it should be 190. So the possible frequency is 105. 105 का second harmonic will become 210. Correct? Okay. 24. If we study the vibration of pipe over in both ends, then which of the following statement is not true? Odd harmonic surf will be generated. All harmonics will be generated. Is not true. First is not true. No. First is not true. No? All harmonics will be generated. Open pipe में सारे harmonic होते हैं, not just the odd harmonics. Right? Okay. Next. Yeah. Next. 25. 41 folks are arranged such that each produces a beats per second when sounded with its near fork. So which means the frequency difference between the two consecutive ring fork is 5. If the frequency of last fork is double the frequency of first fork, ये कुछ AP type बन गया. This becomes like alternate arithmetic progression. If the first one has frequency F, the last one will become F plus 40F, 40 into 5. And this is 2 times frequency. So कितना आ गया? F is equal to 200. First की 200 और last की 400.
A.
ठीक है. Okay. Right. Question number 26. 2 points located at 10, 15 from the source unit of oscillation and so on. What is the phase difference between the oscillation of 2 points? So दोनों के में distance पता है, दोनों से phase difference, path difference मिल जाएगा. Path difference से phase difference का formula 2 pi by lambda into path difference. ठीक है. 26 is 2 pi by lambda into path difference. The sound absorber attenuates the sound level by 20 dB. Yes. So longitudinal wave में intensity को हम represent करते हैं with decibel. Decibel is 20 log. The loudness of sound is represented as, in terms of intensity, 10 log base 10 I by I naught. right? So it is log 10 I by I naught. This is the definition of decibels. So it attenuates by 20 dB. Attenuates means L2 minus L1. L2 minus L1 is 20 dB. So that become 10 log base 10. I2 minus करेंगे तो वो divide में आ जाएगा, and that will be equal to 20. So
100
1 by 100 ना, ये कम हो गया. So L2 by L1 यानी it should be 1 by 100 times the
2 के हाँ
decreases by a factor of 100, or
100.
it becomes by 100. ठीक है. 28. Right. So I think the rest of the question you can try. We have done sufficiently enough question. Waves, you can see waves in SHM are quite easy, but ये बहुत भर के आता है exam में, and it's a scoring part. Cannot guarantee for mechanics, but this second part of 11th is very highly scoring. Thermodynamics, heat, solids, and the SHM and waves. So this whole class 11 second unit in the NEET, if I talk, will contain at least 10 questions out of 45. Okay, so tomorrow I have to go to Rohtak. So probably morning time I won't be able to take class. Evening I'll be back, then I can take class in the evening. That I'll confirm. If I'll be back, otherwise we will have extra class on weekends to cover up. Okay then, thank you.
सर
हाँ बेटा.
सर मेरे सर कुछ डाउट्स थे प्रीवियस ईयर से क्वेश्चन, तो सर वो सर आप मतलब कोई अलग से डाउट क्लास रखोगे या फिर
नहीं, अलग से ही करेंगे. आज तो नहीं कर पाएंगे, कल भी नहीं. फ्राइडे आफ्टरनून कर सकते हैं 2:30. ठीक है.
ओके
ओके.
थैंक यू.
Thank you.